Lesson 21, Explore Tens and Ones, Session 1, page 475. How many cubes do you have? Well, what we are looking at is understanding groups of tens and ones and really just exploring how we can group things to see what we have when we are counting. So, because you and I are in a different area, I drew a random amount of cubes or X's on my table or on my paper. It says how many cubes? My guess. Well, I think I could say maybe it's about 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I'm going to say that I have 25 cubes. And this is just a guess. So I'm going to put my guess is 25 cubes. Okay. So now I'm going to go back, and I know that if I can regroup my items, I can put them into groups that I can see much better. I know if I move them 1, 2 into rows like a 10 frame, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's much easier to count and to see what I have. Now I'm going to put a box around that, and I show that I have a group of 10. I'm going to move these X's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here I actually made another group of 10. So I'm going to put another box around my group of X's. So how many 10s do I have? Well, I have what is in this 10 frame? Right, I have one group of 10 here, and I have how many groups of 10 here? Right, I have a second group of 10 here. So I can say that I have 2 10s and I have 0 extra ones. Think about what the value of the number 2 is. Does the 2 mean that you have 1, 2? Or does it mean you have 1? Change my color. Does it mean you have 1, 2 groups of 10? 10 here, 10 here. So is it 20 or is it 2? What is the value of the 2 in the number 25 or in the number 20? The value is 2 10s, right? So the value is 20. Okay? To write 20 in expanded form shows that you have 20 plus the value of the ones place, which is 0. 0 extra ones. 20 plus 0. It was not 2, but 2 10s, which is the value of 20. Another way to look at this is you can see that there are 20 there, right? So what if I changed that look to 1 10 stick and 10 ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here I have one group of 10 and I have 10 ones. One group of 10 and 10 ones. These 10 ones still have the same value as that 10. So the total number of cubes that I have is still 20. Okay, let's do another one. So now you see a bunch of check or arrows that I have down here. And I could make an estimated guess of how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I have about, my guess, whoops, my guess is that I have maybe 30. Maybe I have 30 there, but I don't know for sure. So I'm going to line them up again. I want you to help me count. I'm going to line them up into 10 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, I made a group of 10 there. I'm going to make more over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice how I'm lining them up. 7, 8. Hey, come with me. 9, 10. So there's a second group of 10. And then I have 1, 2, 3 ones. Okay, I'm going to put a box around my 10s. Here I have a group of 10. Here I have a group of 10. And I have 1, 2, 3 extra ones. So I have 2 10s and 3 ones. So the total number that I have is 23 in all. If I look at the value of the 2 10s, the value of the digit 2 has a value of 20. The value of the 3 is 3 1. So I could write it as 20 plus 3, which is expanded form.